Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Bradley here, and it's time for the Speak Free Books Entertainment Wrap-Up presented by BuffBoyBrewing.com.
JB's Entertainment Wrap-Up.
Brought to you by BuffBoyBrewing.com. Need your daily or hourly fix of fresh-flavored coffee? Check out Buff Boy Brewing Company for unique blends from around the world. International tastes with the finest roasts at BuffBoyBrewing.com. Here's what's making news this March 28th. It's only in the last few years that the royal family has become entertainment news. But, that's what happens when one of them marries someone in show business, right? So by default, it's kind of turned into all of the royals being entertainment news nowadays. As we've previously talked about, King Charles was diagnosed with cancer. What kind of cancer? Well, the palace has never said, though they have given vague updates when he's either been sick or in the hospital. So they've given another update that has seen Charles pull out of his public appearances again. Quote, following scheduled and ongoing medical treatment for cancer this morning, the king experienced temporary side effects that required a short period of observation in hospital. His Majesty's afternoon engagements were therefore postponed, end quote, noting it was, quote, a precautionary measure acting on medical advice. The statement goes on to say His Majesty would like to send his apologies to all those who may be inconvenienced or disappointed as a result. Another story we've been talking about for months is the battle with Wendy Williams trying to break free from her court-ordered guardianship. You'll recall she claims to be a prisoner in a fancy care facility with limited access to the outside world. She said that she's not allowed to get calls or have visitors. Even going out for dinner with a relative had a call to police as a kidnapping earlier this month. While it looked like progress was being made after Williams had a psych evaluation at the hospital, it seemed like there was a setback where she didn't have as much freedom as her guardian and lawyer said. Now, Williams has hired a new legal team to take on the guardianship fight. Williams has long said that she wanted a new lawyer, and it's reported that the court granted her request. Next, the goal is to have her guardian removed and ultimately the guardianship ended. Williams has said that she does not have dementia and is able to take care of herself. Is Michael Strahan exiting Good Morning America? Well, that's the word on the street as his contract with the ABC show is set to expire. Strahan's attention has been elsewhere since he came forward with his daughter's cancer diagnosis in October 2023. He's publicly said it's made him look at life differently, and he, by all accounts, wants to spend more time with family and maybe do a little bit less work. Because of that, a source has said, quote, he will be out by this summer. He's had enough. But another source contradicts that, saying otherwise. Quote, several higher-ups at ABC say this isn't true. There's no truth that I'm aware of. Now, there's also been talk about the cuts at ABC and ABC News because of the cost reductions and how too many of the on-air personalities are overpaid while their ratings decline. Strahan reportedly makes $20 million per year, so another source has said Strahan could face the threat of a pay cut, which would probably have him walk anyway. So I guess we'll see when the summer rolls around, right? It's a waiting game. We'll find out. Walk away from 20 mil? Okay. Or even 10 million. I'll take 10 million, right? Anyway. That's Check of your celebrity headlines for this Friday, March 28th. I'm back next week on the Speak Free Books Entertainment Wrap-Up presented by BuffBoyBrewing.com. Till next time, I'm Jeremy Bradley.
For a great cup of joe, there's one thing you should know. Your morning brew can also be playful. Buff Boy Brewing guys make the temperature rise. And you surely feel naughty when you swallow all